Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove friends from Snapchat. For that, firstly open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on top left of your screen. Now scroll down, and under friends section there you'll see the option of my friends. Tap on it. Here you'll see all of the friends that you have added on your Snapchat. Select the friend that you want to remove. Then tap on their profile icon, which is on top left. Now tap on the three dot menu icon, which is on top right. There you'll see the option of remove friend. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to remove friend. Tap on remove. This way you can remove friends on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.